Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So I'm quickly getting ready for the gym. My cousin and I are gonna go to the grocery store and grab some groceries because we want to make pupusas tonight and we haven't made them before. So we're gonna go grab the ingredients and then make them tonight. So today is Tuesday and it's usually my back and bicep day, but because I already filmed that for you guys last week, I'm gonna switch up my workout schedule for this week. And I'm gonna do shoulders today. And then I wanna make sure I shower and then do a little bit of makeup before we head out. I'm just wearing this sports bra crop top from H&M, and then the sweater, I think I wore it in my last video, but it's just from Walmart years ago. And then the black leggings that you guys were gonna see in the clips are from Amazon. So I'll try to link them down below if I can find them. But yeah, that's the fit for today. I just put my hair in a bun. I'm gonna wash it when I get back. So I just got to the gym. It's like raining so much outside. I'm gonna go have a quick shoulder workout. I'm probably not going to be too long in the gym today just because my cousin is like hurrying me up. That's the thing when you have company is they want you to like, you know, skip certain gym sessions and all that stuff. They tell you that you can do it whenever. I don't think she means it in a bad way, but I mean like, no, I need to go now. I need to discipline myself and actually get things done. So I'm gonna make sure to have a good workout today. I'm gonna take probably an hour because it's just shoulders today. So it shouldn't be too long. It's just gonna be in the women's gym, which is not the best lighting, but we're gonna try to get the best footage. Yeah, I will see you guys once we're done our workouts. Do you guys hear the rain? I'm just gonna quickly check the mail because I have a package that just arrived. I'm gonna quickly get ready because we're gonna go grab some food at the grocery store. So I'm gonna get ready for that and then I'll show you guys the packages later on in the day. I just took a shower and we're gonna quickly eat. Well, my cousin ordered sushi and then I ordered appetizer tempura with prawns, some yams, and then I think some zucchini. So good. And then it comes with a sauce. I'm just making a list for the store. I've got my shopping list right here. I'm gonna add some stuff on there. So we're gonna get a recipe from this channel here and we're just gonna try to make them because hers look really good. So we're just on our way right now to grab the ingredients. I'm driving my cousin's SUV. Okay, we just got to Walmart. I'm just gonna grab a cart for us. And then we gotta wake baby up, but she's just had a good nap. Let me put your seatbelt on. There. Ooh. Me and my cousin are gonna watch a movie and then probably finish off the rest of the night. I need to do some laundry and just clean up the kitchen a little bit. So it's the next day and I just wanna open these packages before I close out today's video. This one is from EHP Labs and Bless. I'm gonna give this a try. I'll show you guys everything that I got. So I'm really excited for this because I'm gonna be trying their protein. It's plant-based. This one is the chocolate coconut flavor. I also got the banana bread. This is their new flavor. So I'm super excited to try this one because I really like bananas. I also got the salted caramel, and then I'll show you guys the size difference in protein. This one is the peanut butter cup. This is the salted caramel. I got 2 of the peanut butter cups in the smaller version. And then I'm going to start drinking BCAAs. I used to drink them all the time, but then I kind of like stopped drinking them at the gym. So I'm gonna start putting this in my drink and then drinking them while I'm working out and stuff. This one is the kiwi strawberry flavor. And then I also got grape candy lollipop flavor. And then I was most excited for their Oxy Shred because I've actually been a fan of EHP Labs before, which I have their old water bottle here. I don't know if you guys are gonna remember what kit this was, but it came with this big water bottle. It says EHP Labs, and then it came with like a camouflage duffel bag, like a big camouflage duffel bag, which I still have as well, but it's just too big to bring to the gym. So I remember I was like a huge fan of their Oxy Shred. I would always get the kiwi, what is it, the strawberry kiwi. Did I get that one? No. Okay, I didn't get that one, but I got the Bahama Breeze Oxy Shred. And then I also got the Cosmic Blast Oxy Shred, which is like kind of like a candy strawberry flavor. And then there's the non-stimulant Oxy Shred, which is supposed to still give you energy and stuff, but doesn't have any caffeine in it, I believe. This one is the Kiss My Peach, which I'm excited to try as well. I also got the Oxy Shred Hardcore, which is the Sour Creepy Crawlies. It's like the sour gummy bears here. I'm just excited to try all these Oxy Shreds. So I got one of the non-stimulant, so caffeine free, and then I got one of the hardcore ones, which I believe is like higher in caffeine, which is gonna give you like more of a pre-workout. And then I got 2 of the regular ones. I personally loved the regular ones. I felt like it was a good amount of energy before the gym. And then Bless came out with these 3 different supplements. This one is the Debloat and Gut Fix. And then this one is Skin Glow. And then this one is Healthy Hair. So I'm really excited to take all these supplements. So all of these ones you wanna take in the morning with food. I always feel bloated and I don't like the feeling of being bloated when I'm going to the gym. So I feel like that will help with that. I also got some water bottles. I don't know what happens with these water bottles, but I always lose them. I'm really surprised I still have this one actually, because every water bottle that I've had, I've lost. I don't know, I feel like I always leave them somewhere and then, I don't know, they just get lost. And then this is the Purple Blessed Protein. This one's cute, girly. I don't know if you guys can see the actual color, but it's like purple. I feel like on there it's looking kind of blue. I got this Blessed Bandeau. I feel like my chest is getting smaller, so I feel like I'll be able to fit into this one. I just didn't want to get it too big. I don't like when I get things too big and then it doesn't hold me properly. And then I got this EHP crop top. And And then I also got this Blessed t-shirt, women's t-shirt, and I got an extra small. I was worried that it was gonna be too small, but it's actually looking like a nice stretchy material. And then this EHP crop top as well. Nice sporty crop top. Not that, it's got like the red designs there. I'm excited for some new gear for the gym. And then I was also excited for these scrunch leggings because I'm always looking for some good scrunch leggings. Very simple, minimal, and then they have the EHP logo here, like that. And then the booty has the scrunch there. Every company does their scrunches differently, so I'm excited to try these ones and see how this one looks on me. But yeah, these are the leggings here. Really pretty, really cute. I feel like what I'm most excited for is the protein powder. I'm excited to make some good shakes. I love banana especially, so I feel like I'm gonna be buying bananas more and then just adding them into my shakes with some fruit and stuff, and then like some chia seeds and all that good stuff. All right, you guys, I'm gonna open this package here and then I'll show you guys what's in it. The next package is from Hey Happiness. It's these jewelry pieces here. I'm gonna unbox them and show you guys what's in these little jewelry packets. So far the packaging's really cute, and it's just like a light pink with gold embroidery there, and that says Hey Happiness. So pretty, so cute. So they're these little huggy earrings, but I really love the tiny earrings. I don't know if you guys have seen in my last videos, but I love wearing them to the gym because I feel like they don't ruin because I don't like sweat all over them. So I got these really pretty huggy butterfly earrings here. Let me get the name for you guys. So these little earrings are called the Butterfly Charm Hoop Earrings in sterling silver gold. So if you wanted, you can actually remove the butterfly and I guess just have the earring just kind of a plain hoop. If you guys hear the baby music, it's my niece's TV right now. Looks like that. So pretty. Oh, and then I just realized I'm wearing these butterfly clips as well, which is going really well with the earrings, the same vibe. It also came with this little bag here. I guess if you ever want to take them traveling or keep them in your purse and like, I don't know, you want to take them off or something, or just to store, you can keep them in good condition in this little baggie here. And then these other ones are just a basic, you know, a staple piece that you want to have in your jewelry collection. These ones are called, I believe they're called like a classic something, hold on. These ones are called the Classic Hoop Huggy Earrings in sterling silver gold as well. Super minimal, just very tiny. I feel like it's gonna go really well with the ones that I already showed you guys. It's like a good combo. So let me put the other ones on because I have my ear pierced twice, so I have room for the two of them. I think it's a perfect little combo. I'm gonna wear them today. I like really small earrings. Like I said, I take them to the gym. Like I'll wear really tiny ones to the gym because they don't bother me and they don't get in the way of my workouts or anything. Check out Hey Happiness. I'll have them linked down below if you guys are interested. They have really cute minimal jewelry pieces and stuff, even the necklaces. I'm kind of going towards the minimal jewelry nowadays because I feel like it's staple pieces. You can wear them all the time. This looks really nice. I'm excited to see how they wear throughout the day. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna close out today's video. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you did enjoy it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.